Here's a quick look at NCL's check-in process at Seattle's Pier 66 in May 2026. First, we made sure to attach our cruise luggage tags before leaving for the cruise terminal. We were dropped off at the north or right end of the cruise terminal and handed off for our checked bags with the friendly baggage handlers. Remember to keep your passports, medications, and other important documents with you. Missing luggage tags can be printed at the white canopies. We then headed to passenger check-in on the south or left end of the cruise terminal. Once past the bright red 66 sign, we took a right and made our way to the check-in entrance. We threw away our water bottles in the handy trash receptacles and pulled out our passports and boarding passes for inspection. At this station, our faces were scanned. We then moved onto the security checkpoint that is similar to the TSA pre-check at the airport. Listen to the attendant's instructions. Shoes, jackets, and jewelry stay on. Hats and belts come off. Remove metal and electronics. All bags go through the X-ray scanner. After the security checkpoint, follow the signs to the check-in area. My wife and I finally made it to the platinum level and were directed to the priority check-in line. I wasn't sure where the regular check-in line was. Anyway, the process at the check-in desk will be the same. Hand over your passports.
Hello. You need our passport?
Yes.
Okay.
And you will be checked in and receive your room card. Follow the corridors to join the line to board the ship. I'm not sure if the passengers in this area were part of the regular check-in. The line to board the ship was very long, but it moved quickly. While waiting, I took note of our emergency assembly station on the bottom right of our room cards. Our faces were scanned and we tapped in our room cards and boarded the ship. We then followed the signs to our emergency assembly station and allowed the friendly crew member to scan our stateroom card.
Thank you.
We then ate lunch. Besides the busy garden cafe buffet, complimentary dining room Savor, Taste, and the Local were also open for lunch.
Two.
We ate at Savor, which had a quiet and peaceful atmosphere. We then patiently waited on the waterfront deck and listened for the announcement that our stateroom was ready.